Hi, welcome back.
Let's consider one more program, that is temperature conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. This is the formula: C equals to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. So let's understand the logic behind the code. As I explained, there are three steps. First, we have to decide what is input, then what we have to calculate, and what will be our output. So in this formula, as we can see, we need F to calculate this formula. Here the input is F, then we are going to process and we are going to calculate the temperature in Celsius. So I have taken the variable C for that, and then output will be temperature, that is C. Let's code. First of all, we will declare the required variables. I am going to declare two variables, that is of float data type. One is C to store the temperature in Celsius. One is F, which is used to store the temperature in Fahrenheit. Now using printf statement, we will print the message enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Now we will take input from the keyboard using scanf statement. So format specifier is F, as F is a variable which is of float data type. So ampersand F followed by semicolon. Now we will write the formula to calculate the temperature. So the formula is 5 by 9 multiply in bracket F minus 32. Now we are going to print the temperature in Celsius. So we are going to print the value of variable C, which is also of float data type. So we will use the format specifier F followed by the name of the variable, that is C. Now let's save it. So go to file, save file as. I'm going to give the name temp. You can give anything. Click on save. Now you can click on build and run to see the output. It is waiting for input. I'll give some value 100, and then you can see the temperature in Celsius is 0. Let me try any other value. So 150. Again you can see the result is 0. So what's the problem? As we are not getting any error, but we are not getting the correct output too. Let me explain what's the issue here. You can notice this statement 5 divided by 9. When we will divide 5 by 9, but we can see here the 5 is an integer value and 9 is also an integer value, and as a rule integer to integer division always give answer integer. That's why in this quotient this 5 by 9 actually taking only 0. So what's the solution to this? So in this case we use the concept of typecasting. So what is typecasting? We have to change the data type of any of these term to float. So here the term is 5 by 9. So we can add 0 to any of the value, either numerator or denominator. This is the first option we can do, or we can do 5 divided by 9.0. In case of constant we can add 0 directly, but in case of variable you can consider this a divided by b, and both are integer. Then how you will change here? At this time you will add the data type float in front of the variable, that to any of that. You can add float data type in front of A, or you can add float data type in front of B. So in this ways we solve this problem. As I explained, I am going to add 0.0 to 5. You can add 0 even to 9. Now let's check the answer. First of all save it, then click on build and run. Here it is asking for Fahrenheit. Now I will type 100. Now you can see you are getting the answer. By default float data type gives the 6 digits of precision. In this program we learned the new concept of typecasting, where we forcefully change the data type of one of the value. Now next program you have to try it out.
Here is the challenge 3. You have to write a program to convert temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Here you can apply the concept of typecasting to get the accurate result. Try it yourself. Solution is provided in the downloadable PDF. In the next module, I will be covering different types of control statements in C. Keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video.